With the iPhone 15 and 16 Pro Max model featuring USB-C, there are many ways to make your setup more versatile to create high-quality content on the go. A common question I get is how to connect an external SSD while also using a wireless mic, all while keeping everything compact. Many existing solutions involve too many cable and messy setups. However, I recently discovered the Lexar Professional Go portable SSD with hub. What's really cool is that it combines a portable SSD with a hub along with included adapters and cables, making it easy to connect accessories. To me, this is truly the best option for mobile content creators who want to capture professional quality videos while keeping their setup simple. So in this video, we'll discuss the Lexar Professional Go portable SSD with hub and the new wireless micro from Rode that just got released. And this wireless mic right here is one of the easiest to use and delivers high quality audio. And together, these two products make it simple to set up a professional camera system with your iPhone. Links to all products are in the video description below. Now, full disclosure, Lexar isn't sponsoring this video. I bought the SSD hub myself. The Rode wireless micro was sent to me to try out, and they didn't ask me to make a video. I just think this mic is really good and I want to share it with you guys. However, we do have a sponsor, MotionVFX, the leading creators of plugins for Final Cut Pro and DaVinci Resolve, which I'll talk about later. So why would you need an external SSD for your iPhone 15 or 16 Pro Max model? If you want to record videos in the best quality, Apple ProRes is the way to go. However, using the default camera app on your iPhone will quickly fill up your internal storage when shooting in ProRes. Additionally, if you want to film at a higher frame rate like 60 or 120 frames per second, you'll need to record externally. While an SSD isn't the only option, apps like the Blackmagic camera allow you to record internally at all frame rates and even choose a lower ProRes quality, which can be useful for social media content. However, for professional projects, it's better to shoot in the highest Apple ProRes format, which then makes sense to record everything externally on an SSD. Additionally, everything is stored in one place, making it easier to transfer files later. You can unplug the SSD from your iPhone and connect it to your computer to import them directly into your editing software. So let's talk about the Lexar Professional Go portable SSD with hub. With so many SSD options available, choosing the right one for the iPhone 15 Pro Max, and newer models can be difficult. I've tested out so many, but this one truly stands out. It's made especially for the iPhone 15 and 16 users. The SSD itself is about the size of my thumb and only weighs 13 grams, much lighter than my bigger Samsung SSD at 51 grams. Now, with a storage capacity of 1 to 2 terabytes, this powerful drive offers USB 3.2 Gen 2 speeds of 1050 megabytes per second for reading and 1000 megabytes per second for writing. It's great for recording smooth ProRes 4K videos at 60 and 120 frames per second from your iPhone 15 and 16 Pro Max without the worry of dropped frames or quality. Plus, you can even do post-production work directly on the drive. Then there's the hub, which features 4 USB Type-C ports. And this makes it really easy to connect not only the SSD, but also other accessories like a microphone. You can also connect a power bank, allowing for up to 30 watts of power delivery to extend your shooting time. It includes USB Type-C adapters, male to male and male to female, and a cold shoe adapter cable for added versatility. With this single set of equipment, you can easily expand your shooting options for different situations. And the best part is that you can also use it with a gimbal such as the DJI Osmo Mobile 6. So you can see there are many ways to configure this. Another plus is that this portable SSD is dust proof and water resistant, allowing you to use it in various places without concern. It's also drop resistant from up to 1 meter and includes a silicone case for extra protection. And this makes it ideal for outdoor shoots or traveling. They're available in black and white and cost $240 for the 1 terabyte version and $350 for the 2 terabyte version, which includes the hub. You can also buy the SSD separately without the hub. This is really a fantastic option for anyone wanting to increase their storage and shooting high quality videos on their iPhone 15 Pro Max, or newer models. If you're curious about how I created those animations, I use the plugin from MotionVFX, which is the sponsor of today's video. Instead of making lower third animation from scratch, MotionVFX provides a range of high-quality plugins in various themes that you can use in any of your projects. Not only does it make your videos look high quality, but it also speeds up your editing workflow. I've used them for many years and I've been always impressed with the quality. Now, instead of buying each pack separately, MotionVFX just launched their Design Studio plan. And this lets you save money and access over 4,000 high-quality elements, including AI tools that automatically add subtitles to your videos. Once installed, you can access the extensions in Final Cut Pro, allowing you to easily drag and drop elements into your timeline in just seconds. Along that, you also have quick access to the captioning feature. You can test out Design Studio for free for 14 days to experience the quality of their products and see how they can enhance your videos. They provide various plans to suit your needs, whether you're a content creator, filmmaker, or production company. Now, by the way, MotionVFX is running a Black Friday deal where you can get 30% off all plugins using the code BV30. And if you buy any 2 subscription plans, you can also enjoy 30% off, plus receive their brand new Type Doodle collection for free. So now is the time to hop on. This is only available until the 4th of December. The link will be in the video description below. With that said, let's continue. For a straightforward wireless mic option, the Rode Wireless Micro is unbeatable. It comes in a well-designed charging case that includes everything you need: 1 receiver and 2 transmitters. The charging case fits easily in my pocket, and you can charge it using the USB-C port on the back with the included USB-C cable. It also comes with 2 windshields when recording in windy conditions. What sets this wireless mic apart from others like the well-known Hollyland Lark M2 is that it doesn't have any buttons. The Rode Wireless Micro is really great for me because I usually don't need the extra features like noise reduction. I can always add that during the edit. And it also happened to me that I've accidentally turned it on, which can be pretty annoying. More features don't always mean better, and in this case, the simplicity of the Rode Wireless Micro is a major plus. What's cool is that I can connect the receiver to my iPhone or the hub, and it doesn't need charging since it gets the power from the iPhone, making it ready to use. You don't need to adjust the gain. It does that automatically, ensuring you get great audio every time. Now, you can adjust a few audio settings using the Rode Central app. Simply connect the receiver to your phone and open the app. You can select between merge and split routing, adjust the LED brightness from dim to bright, and set the output gain to low, medium, or high. The transmitter can be clipped onto your shirt, or you can use the included magnets. The transmitter is very lightweight, so it doesn't weigh down my shirt and doesn't draw much attention either. I love that I can angle the mic in different directions and it still picks up excellent audio quality. So this is how it sounds like using the Rode Wireless Micro. You can see I have the transmitter attached to my jacket, and this is how the audio quality sounds like. I really like that it's simple to use. I can just plug in the receiver and attach the transmitter and I'm ready to go. I don't need to fiddle any of the settings. Currently filming outdoors. It isn't that windy. We do have some ambient sound going on in the background, like people talking, bicycles passing by. And this is how it sounds like using the windscreen. Let me know if you hear a difference in audio quality. So I now attach the transmitter onto my shirt using the magnets, and it is a bit lower. And yeah, let me know if you hear any audio quality difference. The best part about using a wireless microphone is that I can walk around freely, should still be able to capture the audio clearly. Even if I turn my back, you should still be able to hear me. This makes it a really convenient way for self-filming. So overall, I'm really glad that Lexar produced such a great portable SSD drive and Rode such a simple to use wireless microphone. It's a perfect choice for recording high quality videos with your iPhone. This is definitely the SSD that I will be using from now on for my video recordings, and pairing it with the easy to use Rode Wireless Micro makes my setup even more compact and hassle-free. Now let me know your thoughts in the comments, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask. Now, if you're interested in my other minimalistic setups for the iPhone 16 Pro Max, check out this video right here. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you the next time.